Best webcam covers protect your privacy, block unauthorized spying, prevent hacking risks, and keep your personal and work activities secure. My today's video is about top 5 best webcam covers for privacy that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Cloud Valley Webcam Cover Slide. This webcam cover combines privacy protection with a sleek, modern design that blends perfectly with premium devices. The matte black finish gives it an elegant and minimalist appearance, making it look like a natural part of your laptop or tablet instead of a bulky accessory. Its ultra-thin 0.023-inch profile ensures smooth laptop closing without scratching the screen or affecting device performance. Compatible with MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iPads, iPhones, tablets, and PCs, it offers impressive versatility for daily use. Installation is quick and simple, just align, attach, and press firmly for a secure hold. Unlike many cheaper covers, it does not interfere with webcam usage or indicator lights, ensuring hassle-free operation during video calls and meetings. This privacy cover is an excellent choice for anyone who values online security while maintaining a stylish, professional look for their devices. Now our second product is Yieldor Webcam Cover. This webcam cover slide is a smart and practical solution for anyone concerned about digital privacy. Its ultra-thin 0.027-inch design blends seamlessly with laptops, tablets, and smartphones without affecting the ability to close the device properly. The sleek appearance adds a modern touch while keeping your webcam protected from unwanted access. Installation is quick and beginner-friendly. Just clean the surface, align the cover, press for a few seconds, and slide it open or closed whenever needed. The upgraded 3.0 adhesive provides a secure hold for long-term use without leaving sticky residue or damaging your device. Compatibility is impressive, supporting most laptops, desktops, tablets, and smartphones from major brands. It's especially useful for remote workers, students, and anyone frequently using video calls. While it's not designed for newer MacBooks after 2023 or notch-style screen protectors, it still delivers reliable daily privacy protection with a stylish, durable, and easy-to-use design. Our third product is Tujk Webcam Cover Slide. This webcam cover offers a simple yet highly effective way to protect personal privacy and improve online security. With cyber threats becoming more common, the sliding cover provides peace of mind by blocking webcam access whenever it's not in use. The ultra-thin 0.022-inch design is lightweight, flexible, and durable, allowing laptops to close smoothly without scratching the screen or affecting performance. Made from sturdy ABS material, it feels reliable and long-lasting compared to flimsy alternatives. Installation is quick and hassle-free thanks to the strong adhesive backing that keeps the cover securely in place without falling off. It works with a wide range of devices, including laptops, tablets, desktops, Echo Show devices, and Apple products like MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iMac, iPad, and iPhone front cameras. The smooth sliding mechanism is convenient for daily use, especially during video calls or online meetings. With 6 covers included, this pack delivers excellent value for protecting multiple devices at home or work. Now number 4, Mesmo 6PK Laptop Camera Cover Slide. Cut. This webcam cover blends privacy protection with a charming plant-themed design, making it both functional and visually appealing. It is an ideal choice for users who want to secure their devices while adding a cute, decorative touch, especially perfect as a gift for plant lovers. The ultra-thin slider fits smoothly on most devices, including iPhone, MacBook Pro and Air, iPad, iMac, Surface, Echo, tablets, and smartphones, without affecting the laptop's closure or overall usability. Its slim build ensures a snug fit, allowing users to open and close their laptops comfortably without obstruction. It also works well for smartphone selfie cameras, adding extra versatility across devices. Installation is quick and hassle-free, and removal is clean, leaving no sticky residue behind. Beyond privacy protection from hackers and unauthorized access, this product also supports a meaningful cause, with a portion of proceeds donated to the Single Parent Project, making it both a practical and socially responsible purchase. And our last choice is Zukyakuk Laptop Camera Cover Slide. This webcam cover is a practical and reliable solution for enhancing personal and family privacy in today's connected world. It effectively prevents unauthorized access and hacking attempts while also protecting your camera lens from dust and dirt, ensuring long-term device cleanliness. Designed with broad compatibility, it fits most laptops, tablets, and smartphones, including MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iPad Pro, Surface devices, PCs, and Android phones. However, it is not suitable for full-screen or certain modern bezel-less devices, so Surface compatibility should be checked before use. Its ultra-thin 0.027-inch ABS construction ensures durability without interfering with laptop closure, indicator lights, or everyday functionality. The set includes 6 covers in 2 sizes, offering flexibility for different devices. Installation is simple, just peel, align, and press for a secure hold, while removal leaves no residue. The sliding mechanism provides smooth one-finger control for convenience. With responsive customer support and a thoughtful design balance, this product delivers both privacy protection and dependable usability. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.